back with another video. Today I will be showing you how I made some homemade chili and homemade cornbread. I used this recipe from Mr. Make It Happen. He is a well-known YouTuber here on chef on YouTube. And so I just wanted to try a few of his recipes, and I decided since it's cold, why not make some chili? So I decided to make some chili and his cornbread. So stay tuned if you want to see how I made it. Stay tuned, and as always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. So I started out by adding 1 cup of cornmeal, and then I added 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I added 2/3 cups of white sugar. And then also I added 3½ tablespoons of baking soda. Once I got all my dry ingredients together, I mixed them just to blend them up a little bit. And then I added my wet ingredients. And I did that by adding 1 egg, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/3 cups of vegetable oil. I mixed it until everything was combined. And then once I did that, I buttered my pan or dish, and then I poured the cornbread batter inside the dish. I preheated my oven for 450. Originally, I was going off of the what's it called, the package, but then the bread was cooking fast, and so I ended up turning it down to about 350. And then also, I didn't show it, but I used I melted butter and honey and topped it with that onto the chili. So now you see me cutting up a green pepper, red pepper, and onions for the chili. I also cut up 3 slices of bacon to saute, and once they browned, I removed the bacon from the pot and put it to the side. And then I moved on to the ground turkey, and I added some sweet Italian sausage to mine as well. That was not a part of the recipe, but I wanted to spice it up a little bit and add the additional sausage. Now you see me adding the different seasonings and cooking the meat until it turns brown. And by the way, this is not my recipe. This is Mr. Make It Happen chili and cornbread recipe. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with him, but he has a awesome channel, and I will leave his information down below in case you want to make this recipe. But it was bomb. Once the meat was brown, I went in with the bell peppers and the onions. I added the bacon back to it, and I also added the Better Than Bouillon chicken paste along with the Worcestershire the W sauce. I then added my fire roasted diced tomatoes and my tomato soup and crushed tomatoes. Next, you will see me add the beans. I had kidney beans and black beans. I also drained the juice off of the beans and added the beans. And once all that stuff was added, I gave it a stir, and voila, you have chili. But also, one thing I didn't show on camera was I added brown sugar, and I also added a few drops of liquid smoke. Is it called liquid smoke? Yes, liquid smoke. I added a few drops to that, and yeah, that was it. So if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, big thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And let me know if you try this recipe out. And like I said, I will leave I can't talk. I will leave the info for the young man where I got the recipe from. Mr. Make It Happen. Go check him out.